Better on the left.
On your left. See here. See here. Put your boat in here. Put your boat in here. That's it. Right. So see the boat. Come this side of it. Come this side of it here. Where the torch is. Next lot, Teddington.
Well then, guys, carry on.
You got it. You got it. Alright. This side. This side.
Here's the roller. Well done.
Thank you. Take the boat by the cockpit. Be careful. You're not far to go. You're not far to go.
How far is it round to Teddington? 45?
Got an hour at the worst. 5 miles.
5 miles.
5 miles. Now coming down here carefully. Carefully.
The reel is not ready yet. Great.
Okay. Carefully. Now what I want you to do is just step over here. It's not too slippery, but be careful. And you've got to put in here. Put in on this wall.
Yeah.
Got you? Right. Well done, lads. Right. Put in on the wall. That's it. Careful.
Yeah, you're there, right. This way. Welcome to Mosey. Is it okay the light coming from behind you? You can walk across the rollers and put the boat on the water by the left.
Where they are?
Yeah, it's the roller in front of you. You can walk across there. Then put in the boat on the left, crossing the wall. It's safer there. This is the rollers. You'll be alright.
Okay, lads. Well done. Put it in the boat. No, get out of the way. That's it in there. In here. Oh, I know the feeling. But just wait till that sun comes up, mate. You're going to feel like fucking new men. Oh, it ain't going to be too long. Right. So you can get over to the right hand side of this boat. Not to go to the left, because that's slow taking into the boat. So just go to this side of the boat, into the boat, and you'll be laughing all the way to Teddington. You're smiling still. That's what I like to see. No, you're going to be good. You're going to be good. This side.
Well done, folks.
This side of the boat. This side of the boat. Yeah, take it really, really easy and you'll be okay. That's it. You're flying out to Teddington.
Well done.
Imagine we're doing
Best
everything
one so far.
5 minutes faster. Bring them down. Might make sense. What we're doing.
There are many ahead of us. One coming down. Right, down here. Now slowly over the boat rollers.
Over the boat.
Yeah, over the boat rollers, and you're going to put in this side of the wall. Nice and easy. Okay. Is that another one coming down, Bruce?
Yeah, I'll do that.
No, you're gonna. Yeah, we'll go. I mean, first one, right?
Gordon will guide you down.
Yeah, 2 seconds, mate. The handle. Yeah, I know. My legs just went a bit numb.
Come on.
Handle, yeah?
Handle. Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, Dan, take it easy, man.
This way, the roller is here. Follow the light, please. Here you are. Right. You can portage on the right.
Yep.
Welcome to Mosey.
Brilliant.
Well done. You can see where you can put in the boat. Gordon is there.
Follow these guys.
Anyone coming down?
Yeah.
Anyone coming in? All right, lads? Right. Know the coast. Over the wall.
Yep.
So here we go, yeah.
Right on left hand side of that boat.
No, I'll go to the right hand side of the boat. Right hand side of the boat, right hand side of the boat. Yeah, if you get the flow across there, you might try and hit that post. Yeah, go to the right hand side of the boat, and you're laughing. You're laughing. You're looking good, lads.
Do you need a jump?
You're looking good.
I've got to grab Joe.
No, not yet.
Sun will be up in a minute. You'll be full of beans in a minute, you will. You got any Chris?
Not yet, not yet.
No more coming up. Alright. Starting on the right?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You're there. You've done it. You've done
Well done, you two.
it. Well done, guys. Got it? Well done, boys. Well done, boys.
Welcome to Mosey.
Mosey, okay. Oh, it's a sunny Monday. Sun's coming up. Here comes the sun.
They were sick of that earlier.
Yeah, but it's a bit narrow, yeah? Yeah. Right. Follow me down. Yep. Follow me down. Right. Carefully cross these rollers.
Right up,
Carefully just put it in over this wall.
Oh, yeah. Gotcha.
Down.
To the finish line now, Barry. Well done, chunky boys.
That's it. Sleep. Put it in over the wall.
Right up
That's it.
here.
You got it. You got it. Right, go out to the right hand side of the boat. Go out to the right hand side of the boat.
You alright, Steve? Yes.
Okay?
Chris, can you go turn right?
Well done, guys. Done brilliant. Right hand side of the boat. Over this side. We've got it. All the way. Tell it in there, boys. Right.
You are.
Not far, not far.
Hold
Well
on.
done, boys. Crumping.
Come on, you're going to be fine.
Hold on to the boat.
You're going to be fine.
Hold on to the boat.
You're going to be fine.
Soldier on, soldiers.
Come on, boys. Right, now, follow me down here. Follow me down here. Follow me
Right,
down
take
here.
it.
You gonna,
Tom, we're going to empty this as well.
gonna walk
Yeah,
up,
hang
you're
on, Marshall, we need to empty, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll do you, mate. Mind dropping the boat. Keep going, mate, keep going. Okay, up. Keep empty, empty, empty. This way. That way, towards. Yep. Further. That's better, isn't it? Go on then. Right. Left away.
Watch me. We'll walk over here.
Yep.
We're going to put him there.
Cool.
Over this wall.
Okay, so left hand, Joe, left hand. Yeah,
Right?
go on, mate.
So you're going to have a
Left
walk
hand, put in.
across here. No, it's not that slippery. Take care also. We're going to put him over that wall there.
What's out on here?
Yeah, get out from here. And Gordon is down there, giving you guidance.
Hang on, Liz.
Here you are, come in here.
Understood. Okay.
Here you are. Welcome to Mosey. Left or right? But you get in on the left here. This is the road.
Do whatever you like, mate. Yeah.
Welcome to Mosey.
Oh, lift your boat. Lift your boat.
Get in from the left.
Thank you.
Cross the bank.
Yeah, I'm trying not to see in that corner.
Brilliant, thank you.
Don't want to see you there, only mate.
I'm not afraid to.
Get out on your right. Get out on your right.
Thank you, Marshall.
Well done, well done.
Ooh. Yeah.
You okay? Over the boat, Roland.
On the left, getting in on the left.
Over the wall.
Getting in on the wall.
Yeah, on the wall. Down there. Got plenty of water. Plenty of water. Okay. And then go out to the right hand side of the boat. Right side of the boat. Got it? Okay. Well done. All the way to Tedder and now.
We're on our home turf now.
No sweat, we cracked it. Well done.
Not far to Westminster.
Well done, guys. You're looking good. You're looking good. Calm, in you calm. That's it. Lovely, lovely. Now get up on your right hand side. Get out on the right hand side. Full break. That's it. Right. Okay.
A nice sandwich it is.
You ain't got time for sandwich. Still smiling a bit. Love it. Love it.
Yay, well done.
3, 2, 1. Okay, okay. Follow me down here. Follow me down here.
Can I get you some sandwich?
Follow me down here. Right,
Cross
here.
the rollers.
Put me over the wall.
Okay.
Okay?
Would you mind taking a sandwich up?
Can't eat it, look. I'll save it for later or what? Very good. Thank you. Right. Now you're going to go out. You're going to go out on the right hand side of this boat. Okay. Right hand side of this boat, okay? We've got loads of water here. Yeah, man, Dave. Cracked it, you cracked it.
Hi, welcome to Mosey.
Bottle of that cola.
We'll have to see you at Teddington and do it all
Yeah, no, mix it up now in the car. Cola, the cola one. Even if it's in a 500 ml, it's got the caffeine in 100 mils. 2 scoops, bang.
And it'll have to be Teddington.
Yeah, that's fine. It's just before we get on the tideway thing.
You okay?
If you're desperate, there's a pole that's just below the lock on the right hand side. If you're desperate, come on further down on the right hand side.
What's the next one down?
If you want a portage,
Yeah.
portage just below the lock.
The next place stopping is Teddington, yeah? Yeah, Teddington then.
How far to Teddington? Either that, or you can get in on Canberra Gardens below Kingston Bridge.
Yeah.
5 miles to Teddington.
You can get in on Canberra Gardens below Kingston Bridge.
About 5 miles to Teddington.
5 miles to Teddington.
Yeah, cola sports drink with a caffeine in. Max strength.
Okay, lads, follow me down. Follow me down.
Yeah.
Follow me down. You're going to cross over these boat rollers about here. And you're going to put in over this wall.
Thanks so much, thank you.
Okay? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. That's okay, we'll do different. In over the wall.
Yeah.
Put yourself in.
Lovely, thank you.
Okay, you're okay, mate. Leave that down there. Just do it. Just do it. That's it. Okay. Now I want you to go out to the right hand side of the boat. Out on that side. Okay.
Can we
That's it. You got it. You got it. Suck on. No problem. You got it. You got it. You're looking good, lads. You're not Phil, lads. You're looking good compared with some of them.
This way getting in on the left.
Come on, right. Right, lads, you're going to come over this. These boys are away. Right. To the right of the boat. That's it, lads. That's it.
Well done, take care.
5 miles to Teddington. Okay. You know what you're doing?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, Tom, let's go on the ramp on the left. Yep.
This way, this way.
What are we going where you want, mate?
That's it, that's it, that's it. Get out on that side. Get out on that side.
Let's get the book and book, you're in the wrong seat.
Sorry, mate. As they put me on the other. Yeah, sorry, they didn't want to take my word for it. It was Keith Mill, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, done it all wrong.
Mate. Right, mate. We'll have to get the boat down and step across it. What's that? 'Cause we're launching.
Because we're on the wrong side of the boat.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
We've got to go to the rollers as well, haven't we?
Cross the rollers.
Right,
Yeah, no,
walk down, step across.
Yeah.
Cross the rollers.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
As you were.
No, because we're launching.
Just put in on this wall.
Why not down the...
But otherwise you've got to wade down there.
That's right, we'll wade.
You've got plenty of depth.
We'd rather wade, mate. Right, go. We're fine, mate. I reckon here, just fucking look at the top two, mate.
Right, you're here. Mind the bow. You can go across the roller and get in from the left. Either side here. You can take that side. Welcome to Mosey. Then you get over the rollers and get in on the left.
Yep.
Oh, brilliant. Cross the rollers.
Go to the right hand side of your boat. Right hand side of the green boat. Go out. You'll be laughing all the way to Teddington.
You'll be laughing all the way from Devizes.
That's the attitude, boy. That's the attitude. Brilliant. Okay. That's it. Follow him down all the way to Teddington. Well done.
Well done.
Alright.
Okay, mate. Brilliant.
Oh, looking good.
Right, let's get the water out, cut.
Carefully over the rollers, put in on the wall. Yeah. Dead easy. Right, dead easy. Okay. You're looking quite refreshed.
We are.
Okay.
Tired.
Go out right hand side of the boat, okay? Well done. Flying to Teddington, fly to Teddington. When you do Teddington in 40 minutes. Oh, no, you've got it in ya.
Maybe faster.
You've got it in ya. You can do it.
Well done, boy.
Well done, you two.
Right hand side, that's it, you're on it.
Have fun.
Well done, where you go. On your right. Get out on your right. Lovely. Follow me down. Follow me down. Over the rollers, put in on this wall. Over the rollers, put in on this wall. Believe me. Perfect. Absolutely bang on. Alright, got it? This Mosey. Go out right hand side of the boat. What lock is this?
Next one is Teddington. This is Mosey.
5 miles straight to Teddington. This way.
You can do portage on your right. Welcome to Mosey.
Whoa.
Sea legs.
Walk across the rollers and get on again on the left.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Portage on the right. Welcome to Mosey.
Okay.
Well done. You're on ground.
Oh, damn. Oh, that's...
How's that?
Yeah.
Cross the rollers and get back in on the left.
Okay, you're doing great, you're doing great. All the way to Teddington now, no problem. You cracked it.
Next lock, Teddington.
Water.
Hey, well done. Well done, mates.
That's it, that's it. That's it. How are you? Fucking marvellous, mate. Marvellous.
As good as you.
Something don't feel good. Chris, how you doing?
Already? I'm good, thank you.
Good, good. Follow me down. Follow me down.
Let's go.
Follow me down. Come on,
Your side?
come in.
Soldier on Scott.
Come over the boat, Roland. Put me over the wall. Put it over the wall. Trust me.
Yep.
Trust me. It's the only place. Well done, Scott. You're doing well, son. Well done, Scott. This is the easiest bit now. Right? I like 5 miles.
With legs. You're going to make a flap in the
Well, a little bit early, not fucking 40 things. Come on, this is the easiest bit of the travel. This is, you know, taking the next block.
Good.
Right hand side of the boat. Right side. That's it, boys.
Get on now, man, Scott. Well done. Da 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 da.
That's it, right, we're going to go up there. Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
That's it, right, now follow me down.
Yeah,
Follow
don't
me
go too
down.
quick.
Right,
Yeah.
follow me down. Trust me what I'm saying. Trust me, trust me.
Right, watch all these metal
Put in
things
over
then.
this wall.
Hey?
Slowly over the boat rollers.
Yeah.
Put in over this wall.
Okay, right.
Alright? Got plenty of depth to drop your boat in there. You can get in without getting all slippery. Okay? That's it, you're in, you're in. No sweat. Okay? Don't need to tell you, just to the right hand side of the boat. Right hand side of the boat, yeah. Right hand side of the boat. You're looking strong coming down there.
Next lock, Teddington.
Doing well.
Thank you.
Doing well. Right hand side of the boat.
Right,
That's it.
I got it.
Well done, guys. Absolutely brilliant.
Just watch the travel.
Absolutely brilliant. Keep it up. Keep it up. Well done.
Welcome to Mosey.
Okay.
I'll go up. Yep.
I want you to come across the boat rollers, put in over this wall. Trust me, it's the only way in. Good boys. Good boys. There. That's the right side of the boat. To the right hand side of the boat, and you'll be nice and straight. In on the wood there. Well done, guys. Thanks. Follow me down the ramp.
This is Mosey.
This is Molesey. Good. Straight away to Teddington now. Yeah. Good. Right.
Nice and
I
careful
want
on
you
the
to walk
slope.
carefully over the rollers and put your boat in the other side of that wall.
Alright.
Okay? Yeah. Got it? Yeah. Brilliant. He's looking good coming down there. He's looking good. You can see where the flow is. How far to Teddington?
5 miles to Teddington.
Miles, mate, exactly. You'll do it in about 40 minutes where you're going. Really? Yeah, I've got confidence in you. Nice and straight all the way. Just follow your nose, you can't miss it.
Enjoy the rest.
Well done, guys. Thank you.
Support crew for 368.
Uh-huh.
And with that, I'm going to love you and leave you. I'm moving up to Teddington.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, take care.
Thank you. The support crews are there, so probably they need some support before arriving here.
Go on, boys. You okay?
Yep.
You good?
Yes.
Right. Carefully come down.
It's Mosey here.
This is Molesey. Next log to Teddington.
Perfect.
Right.
Any
Now.
tips for Teddington?
Next one, Teddington, yeah.
Yeah, any tips for it?
Right.
5 miles to Teddington.
Alright, and then, well, left side, isn't it?
On this wall. Swap sides you're going to put on this wall. Okay. Swap sides first. That's it. That's it.
Do you have the time maybe?
That's it.
You maybe have the time.
Johnny, I can
Time here now is. Time now is.
7:12. Johnny, be good.
7:12. Yeah. You're doing well. You're doing well. Quite a bit of place to the left, so I'll recommend I went to the right side. Bring your deck. Bring your deck. I recommend you go to the right side.
Sprinting bird, I know that very well.
5 miles to Teddington.
Well done. Enjoy the sunshine. Morning.
Okay.
This is Mosey. Welcome.
Okay. It might be slippery.
Take the boat by the top of it and you'll be okay. You okay there? You got this.
You good?
Got this.
Lovely.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Mr. James.
Oh.
Peter.
Oh, Peter, how are you?
You're gonna follow walk across
On the left.
Okay.
here.
Right, thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Put it in over the other side of that wall. That's it.
Go down.
You're on it. You're on it.
Well done. The sun is rising for you.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, the boat mooring is
You decide to do the portage. Knock through the rollers.
We're getting a bit longer, that's all.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah. As long as you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Fine.
We live down the road. So,
Oh, no wonder.
yeah, no, thank you, thanks.
I'm just a bit worried.
Yeah, no, thanks for checking.
Okay.
We're going to go to River Lane. Okay. River Lane. So we're going to give you your big overdeck over River Lane. Yep. Right, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, no
Kind of
problem.
you.
No problem.
Stopping at River Lane, yeah?
River Lane.
Not River Lane, not River Lane.
Oh, not the club.
You're at River Lane.
Clean your gloves, Peter. Mother room, clean your gloves.
You're gonna do it. You're nearly there.
Well done. Next lock, Teddington.